and I will have my vengeance in this life or the next. Right, well, this is a TOMY Sonic the Hedgehog pinball machine. How awesome is this? It's quite literally amazeballs. I can immediately see something that's wrong with it, and that is this flipper here is not in the right place, or one of those flippers is not in the right place. I'm not sure which one. But that isn't the problem. I think in the listing it said it didn't have any power, but obviously we need to sort that out as well. I've never seen this before, I've got to be honest. It is a lovely looking machine. It looks like it has discoloured slightly with age, and just looking at it, it doesn't look like it's ever been opened. There's like a seam down here, and this sticker is still intact. Let's just have a quick go. I mean, it does work without the power, but it doesn't work properly. You see, I think it's supposed to ping off those. They're like bumpers, but it just gets stuck without power. Excellent, Steve. Well done. Like that. I mean, I'm saying it's not got power. I don't actually know yet because I haven't tested it. Ah, that's the colour it's supposed to be. Wow. That's very different. What if some kind of retro bright? Oh god, what's that? It's obviously had a sticker on it as well there. Oh dear. What if some kind of retro brighting procedure would bring that back? If anyone knows whether it would work on blue plastic, I don't know. I've never done retro brighting before, but I can do that another day. Let's pop in some batteries. Right, so we've got two battery compartments. On this side we've got size C, which are these ones. Let's close that up, and on that it says sound and light. And then on this side it says motor. So you'd think, well, I don't know, but you would expect them not to have both failed. Right, that's on now. It's not making any sound, and I can't hear a motor. No. So, I mean, I don't know what's wrong with it. I'm terrible at pinball. Like I said, I don't know what's wrong with it, but, I mean, it could be just as simple as the switch. The switch is maybe not working, which is not turning any of it on. You would expect one of the two to work. You would expect the motor to work, all the lights, not for them to both have failed, but I don't know. The only way we're going to find out is to take this apart. Don't know why I said that in a seductive voice. So let's do just that. It looks like they're just Phillips screws, so let's try and take those out. And yep, you guessed it. Time to say thank you to my Holy Hand Grenade patrons, Tidder and Taylor Helton. Thank you very much for your support, guys, as always. Can't get into these ones, so I need to switch out this screwdriver. That looks better. Right, how am I going to do this without destroying these stickers? Shall I try just that's already slightly ripped, so I'm gonna have a go at that one first, see if I can just slice down there. Slicing device. Yeah, I think that is going to be okay. It's starting to come apart already there, look. Wow, okay, well, shall I slice the other side? I better hide before it rips. And before everything falls out of this thing. Yeah, that's going to look okay, I think, when that goes back together. You're not going to really see that. Right. Here goes. Okay. Wow. Some sellotape there. Good old sellotape. And it's gone all sticky and minging. Right. We are in. I can see some kind of a bug there. It's got stuck to this ancient sellotape. I think he might be dead. I'm going to call him Dave. Hello, Dave. You can just imagine Dave crawling in there going, oh, this is lovely inside here. Oh my god, sellotape trap! I mean, it doesn't look like there's any broken teeth, certainly visibly. Right, I'll tell you what, let's test this switch first and foremost. Right, beeping device on continuity mode. There's no beeping going on here at all. I think it might just be as easy as that. Let's have a look. So we've got some metal tabs there. Let's prise those tabs up and let's see if we can get into this switch. There we go, I'm under that one. I don't really want to slice my fingers off. But you know, if I have to, I will. Tell you what, I'll sing to you while you're waiting. Because I know everyone loves my singing, right? Almost everyone. We're all someone's daughter. We're all someone's son. Hey, yeah, when we look at each other down the barrel of a gun. That sounds like EastEnders. Ah! Stupid thing. Got distracted by John Farnham. Right, I'm in. Is that some corrosion there? I don't know, it actually looks alright. But it is possibly. Let's see if we've got continuity. Nope. This is very, very similar to the atomic pinball one that I did. These two sets of pads here are not conductive. But these ones are. And those ones are. I think that's the problem right there. It's time for some fiberglass pennage. So that's what colour they're supposed to be. Not that colour. Might as well do them all while I'm here. I wonder how many of these things have been thrown away because of a little bit of tarnish on some pieces of copper. I'm guessing quite a lot. Let's see if they're now conductive again. Yes, they are. Right. I'm just going to start with the lights and the sound. Let's see if we can get any sound out of this. Right, batteries in for lights and sound, or should I say, we're wired for sound. No, you probably shouldn't say that, Steve. Let's just position that on there as if it was on. Ha ha ha! Well, that's the motor. I thought that was supposed to be the sound. Oh, well, it stopped now. Well, that was weird. I mean, I don't know whether it's supposed to make sound straight away or whether... Oh! Okay, there's some sound. And a light. There we go. Excellent. Let's try the motor. Get your motor running. Head out on the highway. Woo! I still don't fully understand how this works. So the motor's spinning what? What does the motor spin? Oh my god, there's another one! There's Dave 2! Hello, I'm Dave 2. Hello. I hope there's no more. No more Daves, please. At the minute, I can't work out how this thing works. I need to try and work this out. So that sits on... Well, I'll tell you what, I need to get inside this thing anyway to fix that flipper, don't I? So Yeah, so let's do that. Let's take it apart a bit further. Okay. Well, spring there. Oh, where did that go? So that's how the flippers work, obviously. And the flipper that was not working, or in the wrong position, oh, I don't know now. Oh, everything's falling out. Oh, Steve. Right, it was one of those. So either the metal's bent, or it just wasn't in the right position. Okay, let me find that spring. Spring, where are you? Found it. Yeah, I can't get... So this little thing here, this little cup thing, is wider than the orifice. So, and it's got a little screw inside there, but obviously I need to take this plastic off to get to that screw, and I should be able to take everything out. So how do I do that? I can feel some little indentations here inside these, the red parts of the flipper stickers there, and also here. I'm wondering whether there's some screws there, which explains why I can't get this thing off. Right, here goes. Let's do this one. Yep, there's definitely a hole there. Yep, screws. Right, okay. If I can do that on all of them, it's not going to be that bad. Right, there we go. Screws exposed. There we go. Wow. Thank God for that. And then we've got another screw inside this part here, which should then let me separate the whole thing, hopefully. Yep. Right, I think I've worked this out now. So this yellow plastic piece here sort of rotates around these posts, and there's a little hole here which I think must go over that part of that gear. There's like a little bit sticking up there, and it's off center, so it must sort of just make it do that sort of movement, which presumably will stop the ball from getting stuck. And then we've got this wire track which is attached to all the little bumpers and nails and stuff that are sticking through, and I figure that must be for the scoring. So every time your ball hits one of those, it puts 1 on your score, or 10 or whatever it is. So it's quite simple, really. Yeah, that must be it. Now I can try and work out how the flippers go. Right, the only thing I can think of is just try and bend this metal slightly. I mean, this could go horribly wrong. Let's try that. It's definitely got more tension in it. Oh, that definitely looks better. Oh, yes. That's definitely better. Right, well, that definitely looks better to me. Yeah, I'm happy with that. So I now need to just give it a bit of a clean up and try and get everything back together, which will be fun. balls in. And there we go. All done, and it looks incredible. Let's see if it works. The flippers do. Are you ready? So that's what it does. Oh. I'm sure that's louder than the TOMY Atomic one that I did. Anyway, happy with that. It's now working. I scored 2,500 points, which I'm sure is the new world record. We're all someone's daughter. We're all someone's son.